Hey guys, this is where I grew up. Super early. We're gonna get to work. Okay, so it's a little bit later now, but the cool thing is I get to wake up in New Jersey to this. This little guy popping his head out right there. Just went back in. But what we got to do is we have to go ahead and pressure wash more of this judge's stand. Probably see it better if I do that. And then what we got to do is we have to go ahead. There's the house over there. And scrub the entire inside and outside of the arena fencing. Super excited. All right, here we go.